好，歡迎大家出席港鐵呈獻李小龍誕生85週年紀念展無形之道嘅開幕典禮。我係今日嘅司儀 Rabia 楊樂婷，非常之高興喺呢一度同大家見面㗎。Ladies and gentlemen, friends in the media, good afternoon. Welcome to the opening ceremony of The Formless Way, memorializing 85 years since Bruce Lee's birth exhibition presented by MTR. My name is Rabia Young, and it's my pleasure to be your MC today. 今年係國際傳奇巨星李小龍先生誕生85週年啦。李小龍先生多年嚟以演員、武術家嘅身份，成為跨時代、跨國界嘅傳奇人物。佢將由武入智，以無形嘅概念融入藝術之中，為武術世界樹立嶄新標杆。佢嘅哲學智慧對全球嘅影響延續至今。適逢李小龍先生誕生85週年啦，港鐵公司非常之榮幸，聯同李小龍基金會同埋香港文化博物館喺港鐵香港站同埋中環站呈獻李小龍誕生85週年紀念展無形之道，帶領大家由電影、武術、哲學同埋藝術四大方面分享一代武術傳奇嘅非凡成就。This year marks the 85th anniversary of the birth of Bruce Lee, whose legacy lives on as an actor, martial artist, and international legend. His marriage of martial arts and philosophy redefined the discipline both on screen and off. At the 85th anniversary of his birth, MTR is honored to partner with the Bruce Lee Foundation and the Hong Kong Heritage Museum to present The Formless Way, memorializing 85 years since Bruce Lee's birth exhibition through 4 perspectives: cinema, martial arts mastery, philosophical insights, and art. The exhibition explores Bruce Lee's enduring influence and legacy. 今日我哋非常之榮幸邀請到多位主禮嘉賓咁，而家咧等我逐一介紹下佢哋先。I will now introduce our official guests today. 我哋有運輸及物流局局長陳美寶女士 ，Miss Mabel Chan, Secretary for Transport and Logistics. 港鐵公司行政總裁金澤培博士 Dr. Jacob Kam, Chief Executive of MTR Corporation. 康樂及文化事務處副處長文化譚美儀女士 ，Miss Eve Tam, Deputy Director Culture and the Leisure and Cultural Services Department. Welcome. 李小龍女兒，同時係李小龍基金會創辦人暨會長李香凝女士。Miss Shannon Lee, Bruce Lee's daughter and founder and chairperson of the Bruce Lee Foundation. 國際動作巨星、導演及製片人甄子丹先生 ，Mr. Donnie Yen, International Action Star, Director and Producer. Very warm welcome to you. 以及港鐵公司企業事務及品牌總監蔡少棉小姐 ，Miss Linda Choi.Corporate Affairs and Branding Director of MTR Corporation. A very warm welcome to you all. 歡迎晒我哋今日咁多位主禮嘉賓。首先，我哋有請港鐵公司行政總裁金澤培博士上前為我哋致歡迎詞。大家俾啲掌聲歡迎金博士。Let's welcome Dr. Jacob Kam, Chief Executive Officer of MTR Corporation, to give us his welcome remarks. Welcome, Dr. Kam.
尊敬嘅陳美寶局長、李香凝女士 Shannon、甄子丹先生、各位嘉賓、各位傳媒朋友，大家好！今年係武術傳奇巨星李小龍誕生85週年，港鐵公司非常榮幸，聯同李小龍基金會同埋香港文化博物館舉辦李小龍誕生85週年紀念展無形之道。首先，我要感謝李香凝女士由美國飛過嚟參加今次紀念展嘅開幕禮。First of all, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Shannon for flying to Hong Kong to join the exhibition opening ceremony. Shannon, your presence here today is deeply meaningful, as we honored your father's legacy in the very city that helped shape his remarkable journey. I also want to express our sincere appreciation to the Bruce Lee Foundation for their invaluable advice and for generously sharing Bruce Lee's legacy. 李小龍先生成就非凡，成功將武術推向世界舞台， 突破傳統武藝思想，創立截拳道享譽國際。佢唔單止係一位出色嘅武術家，同時係一位哲學家。李小龍先生曾經講過：以無限為有限。呢句説話唔單止係武學嘅精髓，更加蘊含咗人生嘅智慧。呢種靈活創新嘅精神，正好同港鐵追求靈活高效同埋持續創新嘅理念不謀而合，為推動城市前行而努力。港鐵公司一直致力聯繫社區，透過貫通港九新界嘅鐵路網絡，將文化藝術融入每日數以百萬計市民嘅生活。今次展覽透過喺港鐵嘅香港站同埋中環站展出李小龍嘅珍貴記錄，希望喺繁忙嘅都市節奏入邊，將車站轉化為啟發市民嘅文化空間。透過將李小龍嘅足印延伸到多個車站，將佢嘅精神帶入唔同嘅社區，等大家探索李小龍先生嘅足跡同埋哲學思想同埋佢嘅人生態度。我要感謝李小龍基金會同埋香港文化博物館一齊策劃同埋支持今次嘅展覽，並且借出多項珍貴嘅記錄作為展品，讓公眾得以深入了解李小龍先生嘅武術世界同埋哲學思想。另外亦都要感謝 Mabel 局長同甄子丹先生親臨出席支持，為展覽增添光彩。甄子丹先生作為動作片嘅國際巨星、導演同埋製作人，多年嚟致力弘揚武術文化，演出作品嘅風格融合咗精氣神技巧同埋哲學，亦都呼應咗李小龍先生嘅無形之道嘅理念。知道甄先生嘅武術道路亦都深受李小龍先生嘅啟發，你嘅參與令到今日嘅活動增添特別嘅意義。此外，亦都衷心感謝展覽藝術伙伴香港舞蹈團同埋本地嘅藝術家嘅支持，為展覽加添咗藝術嘅神韻。香港站嘅展覽將會去到12月8號，我亦都誠邀大家前往中環站 J 出口嘅港鐵藝術展廊，嗰度仲有更多嘅展覽內容可以俾大家探索。展期咧係會去到明年嘅，大家仲可以搭港鐵去追尋李小龍先生嘅足跡，一齊喺李小龍嘅無形之道中吸取啟發，俾佢嘅武術同埋哲學繼續傳承，跨越文化、語言同埋世代。Let's continue to be inspired by Bruce Lee's philosophy and share his spirit across generations. Thank you， 多謝大家。
唔該晒，金博士請就座。Thank you so much, Dr. Kam. Please be seated. 好，跟住落嚟，我哋有請運輸及物流局局長陳美寶女士上前為我哋致辭。有請陳局長。Please give a warm welcome to Ms. Mabel Chan, Secretary for Transport and Logistics, for her speech. Welcome.
金總、Shannon、Donny， 各位傳媒朋友，仲有圍觀嘅市民，大家好。今日好高興見到大家。今日好高興可以同各位朋友一齊聚首喺香港站，同大家一齊見證李小龍誕生85週年紀念展呢一個歷史嘅時刻。雖然李小龍先生離開咗我哋已經超過半個世紀，但係至今佢仍然係武術界嘅一代宗師，係香港代表去到唔同世界各地嘅一個象徵嘅代表。佢開創嘅截拳道，以中國嘅詠春作為根基，糅合佢自學嘅拳擊、劍擊等等啦。呢種將中西結合所長，糅合為己用嘅精髓，正正係我哋嘅香港精神。李小龍先生為咗香港電影開拓咗一個新嘅時代，亦都為武術電影咧去帶到一個新嘅層次。其實咧喺佢成年之前或者成年之後咧，只係開拍咗4套半嘅電影，數量可謂珍稀。但係就係呢4套半嘅電影，足以成就咗一個電影傳奇，亦都成為咗跨國界嘅香港文化嘅象徵。在於佢能夠係位處喺頂尖，仍然不斷咁樣去自我突破、自我提升。呢個當然同港鐵嘅營運宗旨係不謀而合，亦都代表我哋對於港鐵嘅好高嘅期望。今日好榮幸可以同阿甄子丹先生 同場支持呢個活動。丹爺憑藉住葉問系列，將香港嘅動作片再度登上世界舞台，展現咗中國武術嘅力量同埋智慧，係香港影壇嘅驕傲，亦都係文化傳承嘅象徵。其實講到電影咧，唔少香港同埋海外嘅電影咧，都係喺曾經港鐵度取景嘅，包括港鐵嘅車廂啦、月台啦、車站啦，或者係輕鐵嘅車站，可謂同港鐵咧係結下不解緣。相信我哋唔少嘅市民啊、旅客啊，當佢乘搭港鐵嘅時候咧，都會勾畫起佢哋呢啲難忘嘅經典嘅回憶。所以今日咧，正住港鐵咧係承載住咁多電影上面嘅經典，今日能夠選取到喺香港站同埋中環站去展現我哋國際傳奇巨星李小龍嘅一生嘅展覽，同埋一啲體驗咧係別具意義嘅。讓我哋每位市民，甚至係來自世界各地嘅旅客，可以透過呢一個嘅體驗咧，係細味李小龍喺武術上面嘅智慧同埋力量，同埋學習佢嘅哲學同埋不朽精神。港鐵同每個市民嘅生活係息息相關嘅。大家咧，如果係留意，除咗我哋而家呢個場地咧，背後我而家一路睇緊啦，我哋嘅乘客咧係熙來攘往，絡繹不絕嘅。咁所以咧，其實港鐵咧每日咧都係為咗超過500萬嘅市民咧係提供旅程，好有可靠嘅服務。但係咧，我都好開心見到港鐵咧係不時都花上心思嘅，為咗我哋嘅旅客咧係帶嚟一啲小確幸，都有呢個名詞㗎嗬。就係咧，譬如今日啦，以香港站為例啦，用呢個空間咧就能夠締造到一個好不平凡嘅文化藝術嘅展覽場地，令到本嚟應該係比較日常嘅旅程、沉悶嘅旅程，加添咗唔少嘅生氣同埋心思。李小龍先生將武術喺頂尖之中屢創高峰，突破精神，亦都體現喺我哋公共交通嘅發展上邊嘅。相信每一位香港嘅市民乘搭過我哋公交嘅旅客咧，都一定會好肯定我哋嘅公交發展咧嘅水平咧係有世一嘅呢個水平。尤其是咧，我哋有一個航及全港九好廣闊嘅一個嘅領域個網絡啦，亦都能夠接載到市民去接觸唔同嘅社區，帶到去我哋社會嘅唔同嘅角落。喺度咧，我要感謝港鐵公司。雖然我哋平時咧都好多事務咧要經常要去探討，我喺個心裏邊咧都好感謝你哋嘅。除此之外咧，我都要感謝李小龍基金會，同埋我哋香港文化博物館，仲有香港藝術團今日能夠參加，為我哋呈現呢一個咁豐富而精彩嘅展覽。我哋係希望能夠讓李小龍先生嘅精神走入到去我哋每一位市民嘅生活裏邊，誠邀每一位市民，不論咧你哋係咪李小龍嘅 fans，都唔好錯過呢一個探索同埋體驗嘅機會，尤其是係要領略李小龍無形之道嘅意義同埋力量嘅一個機會。And now I would like to say a few words in English. Shannon, it is such a great honor to see you here. Today, not only do we commemorate the extraordinary life of Mr. Bruce Lee, but also acknowledge the enduring legacy that continues to inspire generations across the globe. Bruce Lee was more than a martial artist. He was a philosopher, a cultural bridge, and a visionary who reshaped how the world perceives strength, discipline, and identity. Shannon, your presence here today reminds us that his spirit lives not only in the films that he left behind for us, but also in the work you have done and carried forward all the years with such dedication and passion. Through the Bruce Lee Foundation and your tireless advocacy, you have ensured that his teachings of your father remains accessible, relevant, and transformative across the audiences. You embody the resilience and passion that your father championed And we are deeply grateful for your commitment to preserving this message of self-expression, harmony, and empowerment. All these spirits are so much treasured in Hong Kong, and that we need to carry forward in this city that we all love. As we walk through this exhibition, we celebrate Bruce Lee's artistry and philosophy. And moreover, we also honor you and the Lee family for continuing his mission. Thank you again for being here. My thanks a lot. 最後呢，我祝願呢一個展覽圓滿成功，特別可以吸引更多嘅乘客、更多嘅旅客駐足喺呢一度，喺你哋繁忙嘅鬧市嘅生活嘅步伐之中，駐足喺度感受下無形之道可以帶俾大家嘅啟發同埋體驗。希望每一位都會收穫良多。多謝大家。
唔該晒陳局長，有請陳局長就座㗎。今日我哋非常之榮幸邀請到李小龍女兒、李小龍基金會創辦人暨會長李香凝女士，由美國遠道而嚟出席我哋今日嘅開幕典禮。不如呢個時候，我哋俾熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎 Shannon 好唔好 ？Let's welcome Ms. Shannon Lee, founder and chairperson of the Bruce Lee Foundation, daughter of Bruce Lee, who flew all the way from the U.S. to join us at this opening ceremony. A very warm welcome to you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for being here and for honoring my father. This year marks the 85th anniversary of my father Bruce Lee's birth, and it is a moment to reflect on living fully, which is something that he really showed us and taught us. On behalf of the Bruce Lee Foundation, I am deeply grateful to collaborate with the MTR Corporation and the Hong Kong Heritage Museum for this debut exhibition at MTR Stations. What a beautiful way to celebrate his enduring influence on martial arts and culture by weaving his energy into the rhythm of this city's daily pulse. Returning to Hong Kong feels like a homecoming. This city is where my father grew up, where he trained, and where he forged his global legacy. Here, he learned to adapt and connect without barriers. As his daughter, I have tried to embrace his wisdom and made his legacy my own. Just as he urged us to express ourselves and unite as one, I work to share that spirit with the world. And MTR is the perfect stage for this celebration, embodying my father's essence of connection and fluidity. As Hong Kong's beating heart, MTR carries millions of passengers daily, linking lives in a seamless flow. That bridges divides. This exhibition spans two of Hong Kong's most iconic stations, Central and Hong Kong stations, that commuters, tourists, and families travel throughout each day. Through these interactive installations and artistic displays, we hope to transform ordinary journeys into moments of inspiration. From morning commutes to evening crowds, these spaces invite travelers to pause and engage with my father's philosophy, his martial arts, and his life, bringing his timeless teachings into the shared rhythm of every day. I feel immense pride that this exhibition creates a space for connection, where fans, families, and strangers can unite with his spirit. My heartfelt gratitude to MTR Corporation for organizing this exhibition with the support of the Hong Kong Heritage Museum, for overcoming every challenge to make this a reality. Together, we are ensuring that Bruce Lee's spirit continues to inspire others, and that his message of healing and harmony flows from Hong Kong to the world, as it did when he was alive. This is a true testament to the art of actualization that my father embodied. I thank you. 多謝，多謝。
Thank you for the wonderful sharing, Shannon. Can you please stay with us as we're going to have a little photo session with Donnie, and I would like to invite Donnie to come forward for a photo together with Shannon. 好啦，喺呢個今日咁難得嘅機會啦，我哋俾啲掌聲歡迎國際動作巨星、導演及製片人甄子丹先生。好啦，有請兩位，我哋一齊影張合照。Let's take some photos together. Okay， 好，我哋望住中間嘅大會攝影 ，please look at our official photographer in the center first. Okay, a few more in the center. Perfect. And we'll start from the left-hand side. I know we have a lot of fans, a lot of friends, a lot of media also here with us today. So let's start from the left-hand side. And then we'll slowly move towards the center where all the cameras are. And of course to the right-hand side. 好，再次俾啲掌聲歡迎兩位好唔好啊？呢個時候咧，我想藉住呢個機會咧，同兩位傾下偈，我哋可以遞個咪俾佢哋啦，因為今日非常之高興啦。We're gonna have a little chit chat with both Shannon and Donnie。嗱，今日咧可以邀請到兩位咧一齊參觀展覽，一個開幕禮啦，係非常之榮幸㗎。咁想問下兩位啦，歷年來啊，無論喺香港啦，以至世界各地嘅影迷啦，同埋武術愛好者咧，都曾經為李小龍先生舉辦過形形色色嘅展覽啦，又或者紀念嘅活動㗎。咁你哋覺得今次由港鐵李小龍基金會同埋香港文化博物館合辦嘅李小龍誕生85週年紀念展，無形之道有啲咩特別嘅意義呢？ I will repeat that in English, don't worry. Okay, we'd like to hear your thoughts. Compared to other commemorative events around the world, what makes this exhibition jointly organized by the MTR Corporation, the Bruce Lee Foundation, and the Hong Kong Heritage Museum uniquely significant? Shannon, would you like to share with us first?
Sure. Thank you for the question. First of all, it's the coming together of all of these organizations that are very different from one another is one thing that makes it very special. Another that it is here in Hong Kong. And also because it's in this very big public arena, this space where the public is moving through their daily life, traveling throughout the city. I mean, there's not been an exhibition like this before, where you have the opportunity for so many people to encounter my father, his legacy, and to be reminded about his significance and his influence.
好，咁啊，Donnie 你呢？
我其實即係李小龍先生，大家都知道係代表緊我哋香港嘅精神啦。咁啊，頭先應該講嘅已經講晒，不如我分享少少我自己個人嘅經歷，點樣李小龍先生去影響到我，或者影響到我嘅電影，甚至乎到今時今日仍都係影響緊我。因為其實我細個咧就係睇李小龍嘅電影啦，亦都係練功夫啦。我僆仔嗰時咧，我記得好清楚咧，11、12歲嗰時咧就扮李小龍，就喺攞嗰個掃把棍咧就鋸開兩橛咧，咁啊插喺個襪嗰度。因為以前70年代啦，因為暴露下我年紀啊，70年代嗰時咧，我哋着嗰啲長襪咧就嚟到嗰啲襪咧上到嗰個小腿嘅，咁就啱啱好咧就可以插咗兩雙節棍啊！你話我幾曳先嗰時？咁啊插兩雙節棍咁啊扮晒戴晒眼鏡，咁嗰時我喺美國生活啦，咁啊去到嗰度咧，大家都即係叫你 Bruce Lee 啊！咁之後當然係因為佢嘅影響啦，咁啊令到我就即係沉醉於武術啦。咁啊一路就就喺香港拍戲啦。咁啊大家亦都知道我嘅電影亦都係一直係受到李小龍先生嘅嗰個哲學啊風格我相信係我係俾佢受到最大影響嘅電影人嘅。 譬如我當年我拍嘅電視劇《精武門》，或者我拍嘅電影《精武》，都有個扮演個陳真嘅。咁嗰啲電視台嘅老闆就話：點解你要去模仿李小龍？我話我唔係模仿李小龍啊，我係向李小龍致敬啊！因為嗰時嘅我可以有創造自己嘅風格同埋演嗰個角色陳真。但係我覺得，既然我要拍《精武門》嘅話，我梗係要向李小龍先生致敬啦，我要扮晒佢啦，咁先係真正嘅致敬啊嘛！呢個係一個小插曲嘅。咁今日好榮幸啦，可以喺呢一度咁就之後我就又唔知點解緣分安排，我又演咗葉問，我又演咗李小龍先生嘅師傅啦，所以喺李小龍先生面前咧，即係佢係一個巨人，前無古人後無來者嘅，即係我仍然係一個小學生嚟嘅，只係喺李小龍先生面前，所以我今日亦都好榮幸，亦都可以同Shannon 可以同台咁樣去 celebrate 呢個咁有意義嘅一個活動。
好，咁啊，首先多謝晒兩位嘅分享，先俾啲掌聲好唔好啊？咁啊，啱啱 Shannon 就講到啦，其實今次咧呢個獨特之處咧，就係因為有3個機構嘅合作啦，我哋有港鐵啦、香港文化博物館啦，同埋咧佢哋嘅基金㗎。咁啊，佢就覺得啦，呢一種跨界嘅合作啦，唔單止咧可以擴大咗影響力啦，更加咧就可以體現咗佢父親咧所倡導嘅打破界限呢一個理念啊。咁加上咧今次呢一個展覽啦，就喺我哋港鐵呢度發生啦，可以接觸到咧更多人同埋更多嘅市民㗎嚇。OK，on to the next question， 問下一條問題啦。好啦，知道兩位頭先咧都已經參觀過部分嘅展覽啦 ，so we know that you took a look at part of the exhibition. So I want to ask you, which part of the exhibition resonated with you the most?
One of the things that I love about the exhibition, so we all know Bruce Lee is a martial artist, we know he's made these movies, he's an action star, but what I love is that there's so much philosophy in the exhibition, that his quotes are on the walls and that there's a philosophy listening station there, because his philosophy is what laid the foundation for the impact that he was able to make and for how dynamic he was able to be. So I just really love that that everybody gets to encounter, the exciting person that he was as an action star and a martial artist, but they also get to encounter his wisdom and get to see him as a family man and, very personal parts too. So I think the part that I really love, because it's really the part that I love too, is the wisdom.
咁啊，啱啱 Shannon 就講到啦，其實今次嚟到呢個展覽咧，佢睇咗部分嘅展覽㗎，佢自己最欣賞嘅咧就係當然啦，見到佢父親嘅哲學啦，同埋智慧啦，希望大家亦都感受到咧佢爸爸咧作為一個 family man 嘅 spirit 嘅嚇。好，咁啊 ，Tony 你咧，你今日嚟到睇到呢個展覽咧，有啲咩係令到有共鳴嘅，或者有邊方面你特別欣賞嘅咧？
其實樣嘢都係一個 symbol 嚟嘅，係永恆嘅李小龍。我覺得李小龍佢嘅貢獻咧，其實佢大家都知道佢係一個哲學家啦，佢係一個武術家，佢係一個創新者。其實佢亦都係一個文化嘅偶像，佢係一個 cultural icon。咁佢改變咗電影咧，改變咗文化咧，改變咗武術。所以呢一個文化遺產咧，如果喺我哋呢個地鐵喺個港鐵入邊咧，俾我哋而家尤其是後生嘅年青人咧。繼續去感受咗佢嘅偉大，佢嘅貢獻係非常之有意義。
冇錯。好，咁啊，最後想問一問兩位啦。咁啱啱都講到啦，其實李小龍先生咧啟發咗無數嘅演員啊，同埋武術家，包括甄子丹先生嚟㗎。嗱，嚟緊啦，如果要同一啲仰慕佢嘅年輕人講一啲説話，你哋會想講啲乜嘢咧 ？Bruce Lee inspired generations of martial artists and actors. What message would you like to give young people who look up to him now?
My father's legacy is really one of curiosity, of continuing to learn, and also of working on yourself, like trying to fill your potential and to walk your own path and really discover who you are as a person and how can I express who I am out into the world. And so, and to put effort toward that, So I think that that is really the lasting piece that everybody can take away from it, and also to have fun.
好，咁啊，Donny 你咧？
If you put it in a cup, it become a cup. If you put it in a teapot, it become a teapot. Be water, my friend. And water can flow and it can crash.
好多謝晒兩位嘅分享先，係啦，啱啱最後 Shannon 就講到啦，只要大家保持開心嘅心態啦，努力學習啦，同埋咧勇敢表達自己啦，就可以創造到屬於自己嘅路㗎嚇。多謝晒兩位，請你哋兩位繼續留步㗎。Please stay with us as we're gonna have the opening ceremony, okay? At this time, I will also invite our officiating guests to come forward. 呢個時候亦都會邀請我哋今日嘅主禮嘉賓上前為我哋主持剪彩嘅儀式。我哋再一次俾啲掌聲。歡迎運輸及物流局局長陳美寶女士。港鐵公司行政總裁金澤培博士。康樂及文化事務處副處長文化譚美儀女士。港鐵公司企業事務及品牌總監蔡少棉小姐。有請咁多位。好，呢個時候有請我哋嘅同事為我哋遞上靚靚嘅絲帶同埋金鉸剪，亦都有請我哋嘅大會攝影同埋各位傳媒朋友準備定影相啦嚇！一陣間我會倒數3聲，我哋一齊為李小龍誕生85週年紀念展無形之道開幕禮剪彩。When I count down from 3, I will invite our guests to cut the ribbon to officiate the opening of the Formless Way memorializing 85 years since Bruce Lee's birth exhibition. Before we do that, let's take a photo together. 今日嘅大會攝影舉下手先好唔好啊？ Okay, please look at our official photographer. He just waved his hand. Please look at him. Big smiles for him. Okay, 好啦 ，keep 住望住中間。Also, we have someone waving his hand in the center. Our lady in the center. She's also our official photographer. Please look at her. 繼續 keep 住啊嚇，望住我哋嘅大會攝影。OK， 好，跟住我哋望下上面好唔好啊 ？OK, quickly we'll look at the left-hand side. Our media friends on the left. OK, left-hand side over here, and then to the center over there. And the right-hand side. 好啦，咁呢個時候咧，我想邀請我哋現場咁多位一齊同我倒數3聲，好唔好啊 ？Let's count down together in English from 3. Can we all count down together? Ready? 3, 2, 1. 港鐵呈現李小龍誕生85週年紀念展無形之道正式揭幕。The Formless Way memorializing 85 years since Bruce Lee's birth exhibition presented by MTR show officially begins。好啦，咁呢個時候咧，我哋有請同事們啦，為我哋遞上一啲靚靚嘅 props， 影啲合照。We're gonna pass you some props now for another photo together. Okay, let's look at our official photographer in the center. 我哋望住中間嘅大會攝影先。係啦，啱啱揮手呢一位啦嚇。嗱，大家身處嘅香港站嘅互動體驗會展出到12月8號，而中環站嘅展覽就會至到明年。希望大家可以慢慢欣賞，一齊感受李小龍先生嘅精神，探索無形之道嘅深層意義。The pop-up experience in Hong Kong Station will run until December 8th, while the exhibition in Central Station will continue until next year. We hope that everyone takes the time to enjoy and immerse themselves in the spirit of Bruce Lee, helping to carry forward this martial arts legacy and life philosophy. 好啦，各位傳媒朋友，大會攝影 O 唔 OK 張相？影晒未？好，仲有邊個爭咗㗎？好 ，OK, left hand side in the back. OK, perfect. Center in the back. All right, and the right hand side 同埋右面嘅嚇。好啦，有請咁多位繼續留步嘅，因為跟住嚟咧，想請埋我哋其他嘉賓一齊上前影一張合照，好唔好？我哋有請康樂及文化事務處助理處長文博伍志和先生，大家俾啲掌聲歡迎。香港文化博物館總館長林國輝先生，香港舞蹈團藝術總監楊雲圖先生，香港鎮藩節拳道總會會長陸地博士，有請咁多位。好啦，咁多位，我哋再次望向我哋大會攝影啦嚇，中間嘅位置係啦，睇下佢嘅指示先，因為我哋想 確保大家都可以見到你啊！咁多位係啦，聽住我哋呢一位攝影師嘅指示啦，望住佢先，俾個燦爛嘅笑容我哋 ，keep smiling for the camera。That's perfect。仲有女士係啦，女士呢一位都係我哋今日嘅大會攝影嚟㗎嚇。OK。keep 住呢個笑容啊嚇，唔該晒咁多位，好，影多幾張中間嘅位置。好啦，麻煩大家繼續 keep 住，因為仲有後面嘅傳媒朋友，左邊開始好唔好？我哋好快咁樣影，左邊，後面 ，left hand side over here，left hand side，perfect to the center in the back and the right hand side。好，當然就要俾啲掌聲，我哋台上面咁多位啦，好唔好啊？Thank you so much. Thank you. You may now be seated. 多謝晒咁多位，陳局長因為公務在身要先行離開，再一次代表港鐵公司感謝局長百忙中親臨主持開幕禮。而家我哋有請金博士陪同局長先行離開。Ms. Mabel Chan, Secretary for Transport and Logistics, will be leaving early due to another engagement. On behalf of MTR Corporation, we sincerely thank Ms. Mabel Chan for officiating the opening ceremony. We also appreciate Dr. Kim for accompanying her as she departs. 好 ，Thank you。咁我哋繼續咯嚇。咁為咗慶祝李小龍誕生85週年，紀念展無形之道正式開幕咧，我哋特別邀請咗展覽藝術伙伴香港舞蹈團，特別為我哋呈現大型舞劇舞蹈李小龍的有法與無限嘅其中一段精華選段，以舞蹈同埋身體傳譯李小龍武術哲學同埋藝術嘅氣韻㗎。Our art partner of the exhibition, HK Dance, will present a short showcase of the grand dance drama, Kung Fu Artistry, in celebration of the opening of the exhibition at MTR. Please join me in welcoming HK Dance on the stage, and of course, 俾啲掌聲歡迎佢哋好唔好啊？我哋有請香港舞蹈團出場。 度咧，我哋今日嘅活動已經嚟到尾聲啦。咁呢個時候咧，我哋想邀請我哋幾位主禮嘉賓啦，可以率先咧參觀一下，簡單參觀一下咧我哋個展覽㗎。This is the end of our ceremony. We would like to invite our officiating guests to come forward and have a tour with us. 有請。係啦，咁其他嘉賓咧都可以等一等嘅，一陣間咧我哋嘅同事們咧就會過嚟。好，咁我哋過嚟呢一邊先啦。咁啊，大家可以睇下啦，呢一個咧就係我哋第一個位置啊。咁啊，叫做龍影哲思雙面藝術場啊。We can take a look at the Dragon Shadows Philosophical Reflections Double-Sided Art Wall。咁啊，大家可以見到咧呢個藝術場啦，就係重現本地藝術家阮繼增先生所繪畫嘅李小龍經典動作嘅剪影啊，象徵同埋展現佢嘅舞者精神，包括佢標誌性嘅 sidekick。咁如果大家咧行向另一面嘅話啦，就會咧展現咗李小龍嘅哲學金句嘅。咁啊，蘊藏嘅喺行動啦、自我實現、學習等層面嘅智慧。阮繼增先生嘅父親阮大勇先生呢，亦曾經為李小龍設計《猛龍過江》同埋《死亡遊戲》經典電影嘅海報。旁邊就由本地收藏家伍桂龍先生特別借出嘅李小龍1:1半身嘅像嘅。OK， 咁我哋可以行過嚟呢一邊啦。Let's take a little walk and come to this side. We have the second spot that we would like to show you. 好啦，大家而家呢個位呢，就係嚟到我哋嘅哲學對話亭啦。咁啊，大家見到呢，好似有個電話嘅聽筒喺度啦。咁其實大家可以拎起呢個聽筒，聆聽李小龍喺唔同場景中嘅武術與人生哲學嘅思想㗎。So what we have here is the Philosophy Dialogue Kiosk with Bruce Lee phone kiosk. If you pick up the phone, which is right here, okay, if you pick up the phone right here, you can listen to Bruce Lee's philosophical insights from different contexts about martial arts and philosophy of life. And for your information, the video is extracted from Bruce Lee's interview on the Pierre Berton Show and a martial arts demonstration by Bruce Lee occurred at a movie screen test for Charlie Chan's number one son. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ 好啦，咁啊喺隔離嘅位置啦，就係今日想同大家介紹嘅第3個位置啦。就係一票藏龍嘅紀念卡，咁一陣間大家可以過嚟呢一度睇一睇啦。撳個掣咧，就會收到唔同嘅哲學金句卡嘅。我哋今次嘅展覽特別就推出咗4款唔同設計嘅哲學金句卡，而港鐵嘅車票為設計㗎。咁各位嘉賓咧可以試玩拎張紀念卡留念啦。On the side, you may press for some postcard of Bruce Lee. 4 different exclusive quote cards that are designed as MTR tickets. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ 真係要多謝今日所有嘉賓同埋傳媒朋友嘅出席啦！嗱，我哋嘅工作人員咧就會帶各位嘉賓參觀中環站嘅展覽。咁喺呢一度提一提大家嘅，中環站嘅展覽咧係去到明年，希望大家可以慢慢欣賞，一齊探索無形之道嘅深層意義。Now, ladies and gentlemen, friends in the media, once again, thank you so much for joining us at the opening ceremony of The Formless Way, memorializing 85 years since Bruce Lee's birth. We thank you for joining us today. 多謝晒大家出席今日嘅活動，再一次俾啲掌聲，多謝晒 Shannon， 多謝晒 Johnny。一陣間我哋嘅同事咧就會安排各位港聞同埋娛樂版嘅傳媒朋友做訪問㗎啦。多謝晒你哋 ，Thank you。
哎，行了，都写新闻了。